our live streaming is more about TRX ETN listing. And I would like to give you guys a little bit explanation about what TRX ETN is, and also how you can trade TRX ETN in the future. So today's live streaming, I won't be able to touch a base on like TRX, BTT, and other Tron ecosystem token development. We're gonna 100% fully focus on the TRX ETN development. So as we know, if institution and the financial institution wants to invest into crypto in a regulated way, the only option is trust or ETF, like ETP product, basically exchange based product. So for example, of course, ETN, exchange trade notes, and the exchange trade fund like ETF is the best option for them. So currently, of course, we already get ETN approved by Germany exchange and listed in Germany exchange. Yesterday, we got listed in the Paris and the Amsterdam exchange, and will soon be available in 15 countries in Europe. And also, the same time, we collaborate with Valkyrie, which also is a leading crypto trust platform, and issue TRX Tron Trust in United States. I think next year Tron Trust will be available on the OTC desk in United States. So this is the first step. We want to get TRX traded in United States market, and we will also collaborate with both VanEck and Valkyrie apply for TRX ETF in United States. We know TRX ETF is kind of like hard in United States since even Bitcoin even have this kind of the legal status in United States. But I think after Tron Trust trading in United States, we will do our best to apply TRX ETF in United States. Before we apply TRX ETF in United States, I think the performance of ETN or ETF in Europe is very important for those investors. So that's why we have basically put all our efforts to push forward ETN get listed in all the European exchange in the world. I have checked on like recently after we listed in Germany, France, and Holland. I think the performance of TRX product in those exchanges is very stable, and looking forward to further growth in the future. And also, of course, this is gonna expand a very good chance for institution investor to invest it TRX in a regulated way. They don't need to hold TRX only via investment vehicle, and also with regulated security exchange, they can trade with zero cost and with a very convenient way to basically trade the TRX in traditional finance exchange. Even though, I mean, today, the TRX trading volume in Germany, France, and Amsterdam exchange is not the same with like Binance, like Huobi exchange. But definitely, I believe this is a very good alternative to those financial institutions to trade TRX in the future. And we are going to further expand our territory on regulated exchange trading TRX in the future. And also I want to give you guys a little bit elaborate our partners, VanEck. So VanEck is one of the leading ETF product developers in the world. They manage over 80 billion US dollars in ETF product, and they are also pioneer on ETF and ETN product in the world. So that's why I think collaborate with VanEck is the first step for TRX get regulated and traded by prestigious financial investor in the major countries. And be aware, VanEck is also a leading Bitcoin ETF company in the world. So basically, they apply for Bitcoin ETF in a very early age, and I think they are also in a very good position on apply Bitcoin ETF in the major financial country, not only in Europe but also in United States. So that's why I think collaborate with both VanEck and Valkyrie is a very legitimate way and also a very important milestone for Tron development in the future. And also, I would like also talk a little bit about our efforts to push TRX of one of the legal tenders in the world in the future. So right now we are engaged with several sovereign states making TRX the legal tenders in the near future. I think probably we get like 30% chance we can get this done this year, and around like 60% chance we can get this done like next year. I think this is not like a dream. Basically, we already seen El Salvador make Bitcoin as one of the first legal tender cryptocurrency in the world, and now in El Salvador, Bitcoin is a legal tender. But I think with our efforts, we will soon try to persuade some countries to make TRX as a legal tender in the world. So bear with me, and I will. Once I get updates, I will give you guys some updates about my progress on making TRX as a legal tender in the world. And also, I don't think in the future we will only have one country. We will try to make our efforts to see if we can have like 10 countries, even 100 countries in the world to make TRX and the Tron ecosystem token as a legal tender in their states. So that's also on top priority of my efforts right now. And I think soon, I think next month, you will see some of the progress. And if you are seeing my live streaming today, and if you are an institutional investor, happy to trade TRX on VTRX on European exchanges. And even if you have like interactive brokers or other brokers, security brokers account, and feel free to search in those exchanges. I think that will be all. I will have like more live streaming in the future and keep you updated about the big progress of TRX. Thank you. Bye-bye.